YouTube viewers, I'm going to do an anode rod video on an oil-fired water heater. This is a Bradford White brand water heater. This is a oil-fired. We took the burner out. This has been removed out of the house for a while. I'm going to do one showing really what anode rods look like after they've been in a tank, so you get a true idea. This is, again, a Bradford White. It's Bradford White. Here's all of our information. It's fuel oil burning. This is what they call a rear flue water heater. Flue pipe comes out the rear. And this one here is a little difficult to get the anode rods out. There's a metal top that has to come off on here. As we can see, this I guess was installed on 3/12/11. And somebody did note that they replaced the anode rods on 11/17/18, so new anode rods. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to pop the top off, give you a little update as I go ahead and pull the anode rods out of this Bradford White oil-fired water heater. Okay. All right, ready?
Yep.
All right, we're going to pop this top off. This top just simply comes off pretty easy. Okay, it's off. An insulation pad underneath this, and whoa, look, the anode rod is right here. Okay, what I usually use to do this, I don't use any fancy tools or anything. I use this DeWalt impact gun. Okay, put an inch in an 1/8 socket. Let's see what happens. We're going to actually record removing this. Well, as of everything else, we just wound up ripping the cap off, and the anode rod is not going to come out. So we really don't know how bad the anode rod really is on this. And again, this could be the reason for failure for this poor water heater. It's not going to come out. It's in there. It has unscrewed and broke free from the plug, and we're never going to know how bad the anode rod was. So pretty much that's the story on this Bradford White. We'll never know more on this. This is the flue bonnet on this particular water heater, and here is the inside, just for anybody that's interested on what the inside of the water heater looks like. I'm going to pause the video for a minute. I'll try and see if I can get this out and pry it out. Pause it. All right, like I say, we were not able to get this anode rod out. It came off the cap, which is not uncommon to happen with a rod that's been in it and not maintained. Last time it was pulled out was over 2 years ago. This is a look at anode rods that I've pulled out, just to give you an idea what they could have looked like on this water heater. This is one that came out. The top is all rotted out. The rod is all pitted. So that's what it looks like. This is a universal anode rod that was removed from another water heater for replacement. And this is what it looks like. It's all pitted. Like I say, unfortunately, this one here I didn't get out. I did a couple on a propane gas water heater and a natural gas water heater, so if you're really interested in seeing videos, I did 2 other ones, and hopefully you'll like this video on the Bradford White. Thank you.